What's up, team? Ep4 Files, first episode.
Yeah, boy.
Main man fucking Angie over here. He's got his Ep in the background. And tell us a bit about this, mate. What are we doing?
Yeah, this is my 20D Zafiro. Now, I've had it for a while now. I picked it up for 2,800 off a mate who lived up in Oamaru. He got it off an old man. It's an automatic 20D LSD. We're going to do a manual conversion on it.
Yeah, that's the why it's in the garage, to be honest. Slaughter box.
Stuck in the second.
Yeah, doesn't have an overdrive gear, so that's pretty cool. This thing is fucking tidy as though. We'll just take a moment to appreciate this. Sunroof. Monsoons. It's got some kind of factory decal. Yeah, the real piece de resistance is the 20DE. Stock as a rock, baby. Looking good.
Yeah, we're going to do extractors, exhaust system, bit of a tidy up, clean everything up. Manual conversion, I got a 20 gearbox for it, new clutch, flywheel, everything. And then yeah, probably just get some adjusters for it and lower it, keep it on the wheels it's on, put the monsoons on the front and then put it away.
Yeah, this is going to be the barn find. It's going to be the barn find Ep for whoever, for someone to find in the future.
Yeah, someone's going to find it.
And yeah, well, also happening in the garage at the moment for the Ep files is the my Zafiro. I haven't actually talked through what's going to be happening with this yet, well, on camera. I think a couple of the boys know, but I'm planning on putting the engine out of the Glissade into the Ep. And yeah, I reckon that'll go pretty good. Look, pick that guy up, put him in the Ep. Should put the 20E into the Glissade. You guys reckon? Drop some comments. I reckon that'll go pretty good. But you know, there's plans for that I'll reveal down the track. So yeah, we're just in the process of ripping out the 20E. She's almost basically just good to go. I just need to go and undo the drive shaft, gearbox. Yes, I just pulled the exhaust off, and we'll go for a bit of a walkthrough from the front down. So I think that's the downpipe, and yeah, obviously that's pretty mangled up. It doesn't leak or anything, so that's pretty cool. Heading down to the first hot dog. It's had an extra thing welded on for bumps though, and that's already ground down through there a bit. Carrying down, and you should get to this guy. He's had a hard life. This bloody flato. Classic. Alright, this camera sucks at focusing on shit, eh? Leak there.
Take a while to zoom in.
Alright, Ep files continue. So yeah, we're getting into it. Well, I'm halfway through pulling the 20E out at the moment. It's yeah, a bit of a mish, gearbox still attached, so we'll see if I need to drop the body down as well. So yeah, watch me struggle.
Three hours later.
Alright, yeah, well, I got it out. Wasn't too bad. Engine crane was pretty slack. It didn't have enough oil in it to lift it all the way up. Plus it was on the stand, so I had to lower it down, and then it was too bloody low to get the crane out. So yeah, it's out. I've had a devastating casualty though, wrong movement, and cracked one of the bricks. Like, it's not too bad, but the top's a bit smashed up. Time for clear lenses. Oh yeah, she's bloody filthy. Grime god. Alright, yeah, sup guys. Actually been a bit of lack of recording today. I didn't actually do a whole lot. Sold a couple of things to a couple of mates. Got rid of my 20E engine. Probably could have filmed that better, taken it out as well. I was just kind of wanted to get it done Sunday afternoon. I need to remember to do some more recording, but this camera isn't the best, and yeah, the content isn't that great, so I'm just trying to keep it all exciting. So yeah, comment below if you want to see all the dumb stuff. Comment below if you just want to see cool shit. Like, I'll probably make a wee montage right now, moving this guy around. But yeah, the plan is to water blast all this filth and grime out of there, get it ready for the 25 to go, and then boom. But yeah, tough work pushing it around by yourself. Jeez, where are the bloody boys on a Saturday? Nah, lockdown, I suppose. Oh well, peace. Yeah, what's up team? Another day, another dollar. Set files continue. Well, this is going to be the theme for a while actually, is the set files down here at Glissade Garage. So yeah, obviously we got my Seth, things are happening on. Angus is coming down to do some work on his Seth. But yeah, basically going to water blast the engine bay. She's bloody filthy. I don't know if I'll get a bit of light on there. Because from when it was stolen, it was like something was burnt out around it, like that shit just comes straight off. So we'll see if the water blaster will get that, but just like years and years of fucking build up and shit all along the fucking everywhere. No tags, we're gonna have to get those from when it was stolen. But yeah, I've had to rig the water blaster up because the tap down the other end is pretty shit, and it only just like dribbles out. So I'll show you what I've had to rig up here. This is our parts washroom, and I've just used some parts to rig up the fucking water blaster. So we'll turn that on, see if it works. No leaks so far. Oh, a little bit, but no biggie.
Tell me you can say that shit. All she want is payback for the way I always play that shit. You ain't getting nothing that I'm saying, don't tell me.
Right, yeah. Late night activities. Oven cleaning a Safiro engine bay. Now, you're probably caught up on the smoke film and grime that the Seth has acquired from being stolen, so yeah, gotta go. Tough measures. The water blaster wasn't doing fuck all, so I haven't cleaned it. See what that does. Might give it a wee scrub, who knows. Probably should actually, otherwise it's not going to do fuck all. But yeah, that's coming along. Let it sit for a minute. Pretty.
Good on Arizona. Snowing in Cityland.
Automatic transmission removal going down.
Nasty stuff.
And yeah, get some great content.
Like them other motherfuckers, I could make you.
Sup, baby? Sup, girl? Sup, girl? Fucking miss you, baby. That's all good. I'll give you the loving you need. Fucking A. I fucking love you.